Good morning, students. I have told you in previous class I am going to start your numerical problems from the alternating chapter. Page number from question banks. First one question bank. Then we'll discuss about from the question bank numericals from BK Srestha. Page number is 167. Numericals from the alternating current. Numericals from alternating currents. Numericals from alternating currents. Page number 167. 167. And first question from this one chapter is question number 48. Question number 48. Solution. Listen, what is telling us this question? Question is this: a circuit consists of a capacitor of capacitance 2 microfarad. Means C is given us. C has value. Electrical capacitance C has value 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad. There is millifarad, microfarad, nanofarad and picofarad. Here is micro means 10 to minus 6. Then in SI system, its value is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. 10 to the power minus 6 farad. And a resistor of resistance 1000 ohm. And R has value 1000 ohm. R has value 1000 ohm. An alternating EMF of 12 volt. An EMF, alternating source has EMF whose EMF is equal to 12 volt and whose frequency F has value given us, that is frequency has given value 50 hertz is applied. 50 hertz is applied. Find the voltage across capacitor and phase angle. Voltage across capacitor means VC. Voltage developed across capacitor VC is equal to what? Second part. This is first part and second part. The phase angle between EMF and current means phase angle. Say that is phi. Phase angle between EMF and current, say that is phi or theta, any one angles, that is say phi is equal to what? The shear circuit diagram of this question is capacitor and resistor, means RC circuit together. R and C are together. This is capacitor, this is resistor, this is source of EMF whose value E and frequency F. And shear question, there is capacitor whose capacitance is 2 microfarad and resistor whose resistance has value 1000 ohm. These are connected in series with source of alternating EMF of EMF 12 volt whose frequency is equal to 50 hertz. Then we have to find voltage developed across capacitor. VC what? Not VR. They are asking us VC. VC is equal to what? Second part, phase angle between current and EMF, that is phi is equal to what? This is question. Then solution is, we have to find first one, impedance. That is total resistance of the circuit. Impedance Z is equal to under root R square plus X square. R has value 1000. Then 1000 whole square and Xc, that is equal to 1 by omega C whole square. is equal to root under 1000 whole square plus 1 by 2 into pi into f, and f has value 50 and c has value 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole square. Now from this equation we can find the impedance circuit, and impedance has unit resistance. This is effective or resultant resistance, and unit is SI system, that is ohm. Then we have determined from this equation, we have determined value of impedance, that is total resistance of the resistor and capacitor circuit. This is given us now. We have determined from this equation using this formula. Then find here is given us EMF. Now here is Z, here is voltage given us, and this is resistance. Then we can find value of current. Then current I has value E by Z, and E has value 12 volt. E has value 12 volt, that is 12 volt divided by Z. Z is already determined here. Then we can find value of current. SI unit ampere. Now you have to find value of potential difference across capacitor. Means we have to find VC. This is voltage across capacitor. This is voltage across resistor. But in question that is asking us potential difference across capacitor. DC is equal to what? And we know that from Ohm's law V is equal to IR. Likewise VC. Yes. Therefore VC, V is equal to IR. This is from Ohm's law. But I is I instead of R, here is XC, because we have to determine the voltage developed across the capacitor. Then V is equal to I into XC, and I has already determined here, and I is already determined, and I has value already determined I, and XC has value 1 by omega C, and that is I into omega has value 2 into pi into F into C. Then now here current is known to us, frequency is given us, C is given to us. Then we can find the voltage across capacitor. This is answer of this question. First part is this much only. Now we find the phase angle between current and voltage. What is the angle? Phase angle between current and voltage. Lag Darshak, lead Darshak, means that is what find phase angle. Lagging or leading angle we have to find it. And we know that phase angle phi, tan phi is equal to XC by R. Again tan phi is equal to XC divided by R. XC has value 1 by omega C into R, and omega has value 1 into 2, 1 divided 2 into pi into F into C into R. Therefore phase angle pi is equal to tan inverse 1 divided by 2 into pi into F into C into R. Now here in this equation 2 is constant, pi is also constant. Now frequency is given us, that is 50 Hz is also given us, resistance also given us. Then use this equation and put these all quantities and find the law of phase angle. That is answer in degree. This is about this first question. This is about question number 48. Inside it this much only. Voltage across capacitor and phase angle between current and voltage. This is answer of this question. Now second question, 49 number question. Another question for you. Question number 49. Another question, that is question number 49. Question number 49. Listen what is telling us. 49 number question. An AC source of EMF 220 volt and frequency 50 Hz is connected to series circuit. Means there is a AC source whose EMF, that is E, 220 volt. E has value 220 volt. Whose frequency is 50 Hz. Whose frequency is given as 50 Hz. The circuit containing resistor R, inductor L and capacitor C, means LCR together. There is all are series L, C and R, whose values are given us. R has value. If R has value, R is given us. R has resistance as value given us 200 ohm. 200 ohm. L has value 0.5 Henry. L has value 0.5 Henry. Second, third one, C has value 10 microfarad. C has value 10 microfarad. Means the circuit is consisting L, C and R together. Inductor, resistor and capacitor circuit. Then figure is as like this. Inductor, resistor and capacitor means L, C, R. Inductor, resistor and capacitor, all are series together. This is the circuit diagram of this problem. Here R, first one C, second one C and third one L. This is circuit containing resistor, capacitor and inductor. Resistance has value 200 ohm. Capacitors has value 10 microfarad, means in a SI system its value is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. And similarly, the inductance has value 0.5 Henry. This and AC whose EMF is equal to 220 volt and frequency is equal to 50 Hz. These are given us for us. Now, what is asking us? Calculate first one, current in the circuit, means we have to evaluate, we have to find the current in the circuit. Current I is equal to what? Second part, first one phase current, second one phase angle and third one power consumed in the circuit. Power consumed in the circuit. Three parts are asking us. First part, current. First one, that is asking us current I is equal to what? Second one, phase angle between EMF and current. Phase angle phi is equal to what? And third one part, that is asking us power consumed. Power consumed. Power consumed. Third one part, power consumed. PAB means average power consumed. PAB is equal to what? Means we have to find first one the current passing through circuit, second one the phase angle and third one the average power consumed by this circuit. Inductor, resistor and capacitor circuit. Question is this. Then first one we have to find, evaluate the total resistance, that is impedance. The impedance circuit is given by Z is equal to under root R square plus XL minus XC whole square is equal to under root R square plus omega L, means 2 into pi into XL as value omega L. Omega into L and omega is 2 pi f, then 2 pi f L divided in minus 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by omega c, then omega is 2 into pi into f into c whole square. Now here in this equation resistance has value 200 ohm, frequency has value 50 Hz, Inductance has value 0.5 Henry, frequency has value 50 Hertz, and capacitance has value 10 into 10 minus 6 farad. Then all quantities are known to us in this equation. Substitute and find the value of impedance, the total resistance circuit, and that is ohm. Unit is ohm. Means we have determined the value of resistance circuit, total resistance, that is Z impedance, dot ohm. Now first one part, current. Then according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, likewise E is equal to I into J. Therefore I is equal to current passing through circuit, I is equal to E by J. And E has value 220 volt. E has value 220 volt. And Z is determined here. Then put here value of E 220 and value of Z is here determined. The equivalent answer is ampere. Then first part is completed from this one. Now second part, phase angle phi is equal to what? And phase angle phi is equal to the second part. This is first part solution. Now second part. We know that we have tan phi is equal to XL minus XC divided by R. And XL is replaced by omega into L, and omega is replaced by 2 into pi into F into L minus 1 by omega C. And omega has value 2 pi FC, 2 into pi into FC divided by R. Therefore, phi is equal to tan inverse. Now use this equation. 2 is in this equation 2 well known, that is constant, pi is constant, frequency is given us, whose value is 50 Hz, and L has value 0.5 Henry. And second part, 2 pi and F is same, 50 Hz, and capacitance is 10 into 10 minus 6 farad, and resistance has value 200 ohm. Then evaluate value of phase angle. This is again degree. Now second part is also determined. Now third part, average power. Average power consumed by such circuit. PAV is equal to what? This is first part. Now this is second part. Now we are going to find the solution of third part. Average power PAV is equal to what? What is average power consumed by such circuit? Inductor, resistor and capacitor circuit. Then third part, average power. Again we have for third part. Again we have average power formula. In previous class, short question we discussed average power formula. Third one part, average power consumed. Again we have PAV is equal to average power is equal to E RMS into IRMS into cos phi. This is ERMS 220 volt. 220 volt. Current is determined and phase angle is determined. Phase angle is determined. This is second part. Phase angle हम निकल सीखे so बने that put substitute value of phase angle. Then evaluate current is determined in the second part and phase angle in second part. This is in first part. This is phase angle in second part. Then put the values of current and phase angle and evaluate. र यसलाई हामी अर्को तरिकाले पनि गर्न सक्छौं. अल्टरनेटिभ मेथड हैन, phase angle नराखिकन means another. Again the alternative method, PAV is equal to average power is equal to ERMS into IRMS into cos phi. This cos phi replaced by the term R divided by root under. You are studying theory. R by Z, actually R by Z, and Z has formula. This is ERMS into IRMS into R. R divided by Z, Z is root under R square plus XL minus XC whole square. This is another way. Current is determined, EM is given us, R is also given us, XL means omega L and X is equal to 1 by omega C. This is another method. This is first method. This is alternative method. We can find this one solution. This is about this one question, this much only. Question number 14.9, this much only. Now question number 50. Another question, question number 50. Question number 50. Listen then. Question number 50. What is asking us? What is asking to us? Question number 50. Solution. Question number 50. Another question for you. Question number 50. Listen then. An iron core coil of inductance 2 Henry means iron core coil. Iron core coil. Iron core coil means this is inductor L. Iron core. An iron core inductor of inductance L means has value 2 ohm. L has value 2 ohm. Inductance has value 2 Henry. Inductance has value 2 Henry. H 2 Henry. 2 Henry iron core inductance has value 2 Henry and resistance 50 ohm means it has internal resistance. This is not pure inductor but it has internal resistance. It has internal resistance symbolically smaller. This is not pure inductor means this is impure inductor. Means यसको दुईटै छ L पनि छ R पनि छ inductance पनि छ resistance पनि छ. Then inductance has value 2 Henry and resistance has value 50 ohm. 50 ohm. Internal resistance has value 50 ohm. R has value 50 ohm. Internal resistance has value 50 ohm. 50 ohm. Connected in series with resistor of resistance 950 ohm means this is connected with resistor of resistance, another resistor R whose value is equal to 950 ohm. 950 ohm. The resistance has value 950 ohm. 950 ohm. The 220 volt. Voltage means Rn, Lr in series together with AC source of EMF E and frequency F, and E has value 220 volt. E has value 220 volt. 220 volt and frequency 50 hertz. Frequency is also given us 50 hertz. 50 hertz. This is given us supply. It's connected across arrangement. Find the current flowing through circuit and the voltage across the coil. Current chahiyo, voltage coil पनि chahiyo. Means there are two parts. First one, we have to find current. I is equal to what? And voltage across inductor. Second part, voltage across inductor. Voltage across inductor. That is across coil. Inductor means VL is equal to what? Again listen then. This is iron core coil. Iron core coil. Iron core coil means this coil is made of iron whose inductance has value 2 Henry. This is not pure. Means it has ohmic resistance. यो pure छैन यसको ohmic resistance means that is internal resistance how much 50 ohm. This is connected with resistor of resistance 950 ohm with series with R and 220 voltage is applied across this combination whose frequency is 50 hertz. Then question asks us find the current across the find the current in the circuit, and second part voltage across inductor means we have to find voltage developed across the coil. Means we have to find voltage across the inductor. VL is equal to what? This is VL across inductor. This is VR across capacitor. But in question, it is asking us voltage across inductor. VL is equal to what? Note VR across R. अभी चाहिए voltage across inductor, not across resistor. This is what question means. First one, then we have to find the impedance. Then impedance circuit is how much? Impedance circuit Z is equal to impedance circuit Z is equal to impedance circuit Z is equal to root under R plus small r whole square plus XL whole square. Why is R plus R? This is the series combination of the two resistors. This is resistor of the resistance of the inductor. This is small r. This is the external resistor. Then in the series combination, the equivalent resistance in series is equal to R1 plus R2. The treat R1 is R, R2 is R. Then instead of R1, here is R. Instead of R2, here is a small r. Then R plus R. This is equivalent resistance in the series circuit. Then R plus R whole square plus XL whole square. Then a small capital R has value 950 ohm. Capital R has value 950 and a small r has value 50. Then R plus R means 950 plus 50 whole square plus and XL is value 2 omega L and omega L whole square. This is this is 1000 whole square plus omega is replaced by 2 into pi into F into L whole square. Now here frequency is given us 50 Hertz. Inductance has given us value 2 Henry. Then we can find the value of impedance, that is Z ohm. Means हम ये resistance पता लगा सके total circuit Z is equal to dot ohm. Means you have to find putting the value of frequency and inductance. Frequency has value 50 Hertz, inductance has value 2 Henry. Then you use this equation and value of Z. अब हाम्रो Z आइसक्यो भने हाम्रो पहिलो part, then first part is current. We have to find current. Then current, according to Ohm's law, current V is equal to IR. But instead of V, we have to replace V. We have V is equal to IR. But instead of V, there is E into I, and instead of R, here is Z. Then current has value, therefore current I has value E by Z. Then current has value E by Z. E has value 220. E has value 220. Z has value determined previously. Then current is ampere. This is first part answer. Now second part, voltage developed across inductor only, not across R. Second part. Now for second part, again we have VL is equal to I into new impedance of the inductor Z dash. Not only XL but Z dash. What is Z dash? The new impedance of the inductor. The new impedance, that is Z dash. Why new impedance? Because this is not pure. It has inductance as well as internal resistance. That's why new impedance is Z dash. Then current is already determined here. Current has value determined already. Z dash is replaced by root under R square plus XL square. This is treated as the resistor and inductor circuit because this is not pure inductor but this is ohmic inductor. Means यसको interdistance पनि छ, inductance पनि छ. Then this is not pure inductor. Then this is ohmic inductor. Ohm को law follow गर्ने inductor, that is ohmic inductor. Then R is given us. This is interdistance coil. XL is replaced by current is determined here and small r is given us and XL is replaced by 2 into pi into F into L whole square. Means हाम्रो सब थोकाइसकेको छ, करेन्ट पनि छ, R पनि छ, फ्रिक्वेन्सी given us, L पनि given छ भने we can find voltage across inductor. This is about this question. Question number 50. This much only. And now another question. Question number 51. Another question. Question number 51. Another question. Question number 51. Question number 51. Solution. Another question. Question number 51. Then listen what is telling us. A coil of inductance 0.1 Henry and negligible resistance, means this is pure inductor. Pure inductor, only L, no R, is in series with resistance 40 ohm. Resistance with 40 ohm. This is pure inductor. L only, but R is 0. L only, L has value 0.1 Henry. 0.1 Henry. 0.1 Henry. And interdistance that is equal to 0. Interdistance equal to 0. Interdistance 0 and resistor of resistance capital R is 40 ohm. 40 ohm. A supply voltage 50 VRMS. This is E. ERMS equal to 50 volt. ERMS equal to 50 volt. This is given us. 50 volt is applied, given to us. 50 volt is applied. If the question is this, if the voltage across is equal to voltage across R, means in question VL is equal to VR. This is given to us. VL is equal to VR. This is given to us. Calculate the voltage across inductor and frequency of the supply. Means we have to find voltage across inductor and frequency of the supply. Means we have to find voltage across inductor and frequency of the supply. Means VL what? VL is equal to what and frequency F is equal to what? Circuit is as like this. Inductor and resistor. Inductor and resistor circuit. This is the circuit diagram of this question. This is pure inductor, only L, but R is equal to 0. Negligible means R is equal to 0. And R has value 40 ohm. EMF, E has value 50 volt. And frequency is not given to us. This is circuit diagram of this question. A circuit containing inductor of inductance 0.1 Henry and resistor of resistance 40 ohm. But negligible interdistance means small r is equal to 0. This is pure inductor having no ohmic resistance. Then this is pure inductor. Only L, R is 0. Only L has value 0.1 Henry, but R has value 0. This is connected with 40 ohm resistor in the same circuit. The frequency has value. We have to find frequency, and this is connected across 50 volt VRMS, ERMS. The question is, and again the condition, voltage across inductor is equal to voltage across resistor. Then we have to determine VL watt and frequency watt. This is given us. Then listen, impedance circuit is equal to, we know that we know that Z is equal to impedance circuit. Z is equal to root under R square plus XL square. R square plus XL square. This is resultant resistance of the circuit containing R and L together. Then multiplying both sides by then I into Z. Multiplying both sides by then here also I, in the right hand side also I, root under R square plus XL square. I into Z is equal to E. I into Z, that is V, and V is replaced by E. I into Z is equal to E, that is equal to V. But V is replaced by here E. And I is I, and I lie hami bhitra la dai so introduce I inside the square root. Then I into R whole square plus I into XL whole square. And E has value 50 volt and I into R is equal to VR. I into R, that is VR whole square, and I into XL, VL is equal to square. And then here VR is equal to VL. This is given us in the condition VR is equal to VL. Then VR is replaced by VL. VR is replaced by VL. Then VL square plus VL square means 2 under root 2 VL square is equal to root 2 VL. Therefore VL has value 50 divided by root 2 means we can find value of voltage across inductor. This is answer of first part, means 50 divided root 2. Now again here what is question? This is the impedance circuit. Z is equal to root under R square plus XL square. Multiplying both sides by then I into Z, that is equal to E, and I is taken inside the bracket in the squaring. Bhitra ke square. Only then by also when I matra answer. Then I into R, that is VR, and I into XL, that is VL. And question VR is equal to VL. Then VL 2 VL square, then root 2 VL, then VL equal to 50 divided by root 2, and 50 is given us. Then this is answer of first part. Now VLI secure. Now second part, frequency asking us. This is first part answer. Now second part, again second part second part frequency what? Again omega VL means I into XL, and XL is 2 into pi into F into L. Therefore F is equal to VL divided by I into 2 into pi into L. Now we have to find I. Then here, to find the value of I, let me question number 1. We have to find value because VL is determined already here, and 2 is well known, pi is also well known, L is given us, that is 0.1. Only remaining term is I. Then evaluate value of I. The since in this question is given us VL is equal to VR. The since VR is equal to VL and VL is already determined here. Then this is dot volt, and according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. This is then I is equal to something divided by R, and R is given us. R is how much? 40 and this is R is 40 and VL is only determined here, means evaluate value of current. Then use equations 1 and 2, means VL is determined, I is also determined, 2 is well known, pi is also well known, L is given to us 0.1 Henry. Then use this equation and find the value of frequency. Therefore, from equations 1 and 2, we can find value of frequency. This is the answer of this question. About 51. Now another question for you. 52. Another question. 52. What is asking us? An iron core coil of inductance 3 Henry and 50 ohm resistance, means this is not pure inductor. यसको L पनि छ, यसको R पनि छ, दुईटै दिएको छ, means this is not pure inductor. It has ohmic resistance. R is 50 ohm and L has value 3 Henry, placed in series with a resistor of 550 ohm and 10 volt AC supply and 50 Hz frequency, means pure inductor chaina, not pure inductor, means it has L as well as R. Question number 52. Question number 52. Listen then about question number 52. Iron core. Question number 52. Iron core coil of inductance. Iron le baneko coil, means iron core coil. यसको L पनि छ, यसको R पनि छ. This is given us. R as well as L both are given to us, and L has value 3 Henry. L has value 3 Henry. L has value 3 Henry and small r has value 50 ohm. Internustance has value 50 ohm. 50 ohm. Placed in series with resistor of resistance 550 ohm, means additional resistor. Additional resistor. Small r is internal resistance, capital R is external resistance. And external resistance has value 550 volt. Capital R has value 550 volt. 550 volt. This is given to us. And this is series with AC supply. AC supply. This is connected with AC supply. EMF given us, frequency both are given to us, 100 volt and 50 Hz. E has value 100 volt. E has value 100 volt and frequency has value 50 Hz. 50 Hz both are given to us. Now what is asking us? Find the current in the circuit. Current in the circuit, current in the coil and voltage across the coil, means current पनि चाहियो र voltage पनि चाहियो. Both we have to determine, we have to find current what, voltage across what. Current in the coil and voltage across coil, means I is equal to what? First one part current across the coil, I is equal to what? Second part voltage of the coil, means VL is equal to what? 2 parts. Then listen question. Iron core coil, means this coil is made of iron whose inductance has value 3 Henry and resistance has value 50 ohm. This is not pure inductor, but it has ohm resistance, that is 50 ohm. This is connected with series of resistance 550 ohm. 550 ohm. These are series with EMF of AC EMF, that is 100 volt whose frequency is 50 Hz. Then using this data we have to find the current in the coil, means current the circuit. Current coil भनेको circuit मा बग्ने current नै हो actually. र second part voltage coil, means VL चाहियो, VR चाहिएन, only VL. Potential developed across inductor VL watt. The second part VL watt, first part current watt. भने यसलाई हामी यसरी गर्न सक्छौं. First one, evaluate Z. Z has value under root R plus small r whole square plus XL square. This is as like Ohm's law. Ohm's law. This is series combination. This is R1 and this is R2. This is R1. R1 has value R and R2 has value R. Then R plus R whole square plus XL square. Such type of question already done. Then R is given to us. R is given, that is 550, and small r has value 50. Then R plus R whole square, and XL has value 2 omega L. XL has value omega L, and omega is replaced by 2 into pi into F into L whole square. Then this is 600 whole square plus 2 into pi into F. F has value 50 hertz and L has value 50, F has value 50 hertz and L has value 3 Henry whole square. Means evaluate value of Z, that is ohm. अब हाम्रो Z आइसक्यो, टोटल रेजिस्टेंस आइसक्यो सर्किट को भने अब हामी करेन्ट चिन्न गरिरहेको छौं. करेन्ट को फर्मुला I is equal to what? The since I is equal to E by Z, and E has value given to us 100 volt divided by Z. Z is L, put a demand here. Then evaluate value of current, that is ampere. Pahilo part I sakyo. Now second part, we have to find the voltage across the inductor. Means VL is equal to what? This voltage across inductor means across this circuit. VL what? Yes, प्रश्नमा हामीलाई VL चाहियो. Then the new impedance. Therefore, new impedance is this is the new impedance Z dash is equal to. Therefore, new impedance Z dash is equal to. This is impedance the inductor only. Z dash is equal to R plus R whole square. This is the impedance of the inductor only. This is for inductor only. For inductor only, because it's not pure. This is not pure, that's why R, small r here is, then small r instead of capital R here is small r. Z dash new impedance, then R square plus XL square. This is inductor only. Then here is R1 is replaced by R, and R2 that is equal to here XL. This is the resistance, this is the inductance. Then R has value 50 ohm whole square, that is 50 whole square plus 2 into pi into F into L whole square. Means frequency is given us, L is given to us. Then evaluate, use this equation and find the value of new impedance, that is dot ohm. Then final answer VL, voltage across inductor. Therefore VL is equal to I into Z dash. This is new impedance of the inductor only, because it's not pure. That's why this is new impedance, and current is same. Then I into Z dash. Then this is answer of this question. This is volt answer. There are two parts. First part is already determined. Second part is this is answer. This is not only about question number 52. Now another question for you. 52. After 52, 53. A circuit, LCR circuit, alternating series circuit, means L inductor, capacitor and C circuit. L has value 1 Henry, C has value 1 microfarad, and R has value 100 ohm. Means the circuit containing L, R and C together. Another question, question number 53. Question number 53. Now question number 53. 53. Question number 53. The circuit containing solution of this question. The circuit is containing resistor, inductor and capacitor. L, C are together. L, C and R. Say resistor, inductor and capacitor. And R has value given to us. L is also given to us. C is also given to us. Then R has value 1000 ohm. R has value 1000 ohm. 1000 ohm. L has value 1 Henry. L has value 1 Henry. 1 H. And C has value 1 microfarad. 1 microfarad. C has value 1 microfarad is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. This is given to us a series circuit of source of EMF frequency 50 Hz. Frequency is given to us 50 Hz. F is given to us 50 Hz. 50 Hz. This is given to us. Now what is asking us? What is the phase? What is the phase shift between voltage and current? Means phase angle chahiye. Only asking us phase angle. Phase angle. Phase angle between current and voltage. Phase angle between current and voltage. Phi is equal to what? We know that phase angle को formula हमें अभी भी लिखा थी, फिर भी लिखा करें तो we have phase angle tan phi has value. Tan phi has value. V. This is VL minus VC divided by VR. VL minus VC divided by VR means सीधे लिखा हम थी हम लोग XL minus XC divided by R, because current is common terms are cancelled. Then XL has value omega into L and XL is 1 by omega C divided by R. Now here omega is replaced by 2 into pi into F into L, and omega is also replaced by 2 into pi into F into C. 2 into pi into FC divided by R. Therefore phi is equal to tan inverse 2 into pi into F into L minus 1 divided by 2 pi into F divided by R. Now see here in this equation, means phase angle current voltage mat. We know that tan phi is equal to VL minus VC by VR, and this is I into L, I into XL, I into XC, and I into I is cancelled then, and omega, this is omega L, this is omega C, this is only R. Omega is replaced by 2 into pi of L, and X is replaced by 1 by omega C, and omega is value 2 pi into F into C. Then now see here, this is now constant, frequency is given us, L is also given us, frequency is given us, C is also given us, R is also given us. Use this and find value of phase angle. This is the answer is degree. This is only one part asked us. Phase angle matre खोजिए थियो question ma, that is answer is this much. Now another question 54. Another question 54. Then listen. Another question, listen then. Question number 54. A coil having inductance and resistance means coil को L पनि छ R पनि छ. Sinusoidal voltage 5 VRMS. The oscillator of frequency 5 Hz, 50 Hz, frequency also given us. Current is 1 ampere. And at frequency 100 Hz, current is this much. Determine inductance of the coils. Means either duita frequency cha, duita current cha. When frequency is F1, that is 50 Hz, current is 1 ampere. When frequency is 100 Hz, current is 0.625 ampere. Determine the inductance of coil. भने दुईटा इक्वेसन आउँछ यहाँबाट हामीलाई र सोल्भ गर्नु पर्छ. Means a coil having inductance and resistance. Coil को L पनि छ, R पनि छ. ल अब यो लास्ट इक्वेसन, क्वेशन नम्बर 54. क्वेशन नम्बर 54. Coil को L पनि छ, R पनि छ. Note pure. 54, question number 54. Question number 54. A coil having inductance and resistance. Coil को L पनि छ, R पनि छ. This is not pure. This is ohmic inductor. This is R, this is L. You understand? This is inductor. A sinusoidal means variable frequency खालको छ हाम्रो. पहिलो frequency 50 Hz. First one frequency 50 Hz. Then when frequency F1 is 50 Hz. Then current I1 is 1 ampere. When frequency is 100 Hz, and then current is I2 is 0.625 ampere. अनि यहाँबाट हामीले निकाल्नु पर्यो L को चाहियो. Coil को L कति? L is equal to what? Coil को L is equal to what? Means यहाँ यसको E र F हामीलाई थाहा छ. Z is equal to root under, we know that Z is root under R square plus XL square. And this is I. Then this is value of R पनि छैन, R square नदिने. This is 2 pi into F into L. Therefore Z1 R same, R square into 2 into pi into F1 into L square. भने यहाँ न त R छ न त L. यहाँ दुईटै constant. Frequency is F1. Then I1 is equal to E by Z1. E fix. यहाँबाट पहिलो इक्वेसन निकाल्ने. त्यसपछि replace F2 then Z2. Then second part, second मा Z2 झिक्ने root under R same into R square plus 2 into pi into F2 into L whole square. किन न्यू फ्रिक्वेन्सी न्यू इम्पिडेन्स, त्यसैले नयाँ करेन्ट I2 is equal to E same E by Z2. भने यहाँबाट अर्को क्वेशन आउँछ. यो करेन्ट दिएको छ, I1 पनि छ, I2 पनि छ. भने दुईटालाई सोल्भ गर्ने. लास्टमा हैन R लाई काटेर R लाई काट्दिने माइनस गर्ने. भने लास्टमा के झिक्ने? Z झिक्ने. That is dot Henry. Dot Henry. Remaining problems do yourself. Today is this much. Remaining class, remaining problems. Today is this much only. आजलाई म सकाउँदै छु. आजलाई यति बाँकी प्रब्लम गर्ने र बाँकी एक्स्ट्रा प्रब्लम भिके टेस्ट पनि हेर्ने. Thank you. Today is this much only. Today is this much only. Remaining next class. Remaining.